Hello everybody, Master here. Got something off the Matco truck today and something came in from Amazon. And the Matco, I got the SBC5 swivel button clip tool. Now, I don't know how much leverage I can get with this, but I've been running into situations on diesel pickups trying to release those pesky fuel fittings, or fuel line, the ones you gotta squeeze. So, I got these. And I think they're made by Vim Tools, but they're made in Taiwan. Quick disconnect tool for evap, fuel, and DEF fittings, and some electrical connectors. But excited to test them out. I don't know how good they're going to be, but we'll see. Let me get them out of the package. So here they are. They swivel this way, and they swivel this way. So that's kind of cool. You can get on a fitting, and you can release it, and it's spring loaded. Maybe this bolt's a little tight, but I don't know why they're not opening back up. I think this nut might be set a little bit too tight. Loosen those up a little bit. There we go. Wait. I don't know. I might need some lube or something. That spring's pretty weak though. Try loosening them up a little bit more. Oh, it's just turning the whole friggin' thing. But Matco on there on the side, blue. They're doing a lot of their stuff in blue, I've noticed. But I don't know if this spring is gonna do anything, but it's got a little bit of traction on the inside there, as you can see, on both sides. There we go. But it's got a little bit of imprints here for your thumb, part number on this one, and knob right here to hold on to. Not bad. We'll see how it works, but I got that, and then I got these, and these are the knipex, whatever you want to call them, 4114 250s, 10-inch locking pliers. Now these bad boys were on a good deal. Ain't that right, Loon? And they were like 25 bucks on Amazon. You can't beat that for a good brand. Dogs are going crazy and barking. Anyway, so these are some nice units. Chrome Vanadium, made in Germany. Now, a buddy of mine got these probably a year ago, and he really liked them, so that's why I pulled the trigger on them. But quick release, and very nice geometry and teeth. See that kind of a wave. And they show, maybe they don't show a picture of them grabbing. Shows this. Can grab square, hex, or circle. Kind of a multi-design, and I like that. So you can pull them that way to open them, or this way. And they're just nice. They're really beefy tool for the price. And knowing knipex, I'm sure these teeth are going to hold up a lot better than the China Vice Grip brand. So now I do like the old Vice Grips. I miss them a lot. I wish they were still made in USA, but what can you do? I got a couple pairs of these. I think I got 3 or 4 pairs left that are the USA ones. These are old and used, but these had strong teeth. USA. And they still work. You can see the teeth in those suckers. Still usable. Still strong. The nose doesn't bend like the China ones. And I'm hoping these will be just as strong. You know, they're made in Germany, and knipex seems to make pretty good products. So anyway, that's all I got for you today. We just got the Matco / Vim button release tool, and the knipex 4114 250s, and they're calling them nothing, I believe. Classic knipex, just their number and that's it. Oh, Amazon had to cover. I feel like it's got to say it underneath there, what they call them. Anyway, that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a good night. Bye.